everyone, welcome to the StudyHacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. If you are interested in learning GIS, remote sensing or spatial analysis, the first software you need is QGIS. QGIS is one of the world's most popular free and open source geographic information system software. It is widely used by students, researchers, professionals, NGOs, and government organizations. In this video, I will show you exactly how to download and install the QGIS on your Windows computer. Even if you have never installed GIS software before, you can follow along easily. Let's get started. So first of all, you simply visit the link. So this link I simply give the description. You can simply visit and go to this link. So here you find out that you can see skip and go to download. Just click on here. So further, you simply choose your operating system. So you can easily choose Windows and Mac, Linux, BSD, container image. So different operating system, we simply choose your own operating system. And further, you can get the two options. One is for online installer, another is the long-term release, another is the latest release. So it's also better to use the long-term release LTR. So simply click and download this software. So here I already installed this LTR long-term release software. If you check, so this is the software. So I already downloaded this software. Just a simple install. So for installing, just double click on this software. So now it is start to ready for install. So now you can see, you can get that welcome to QGIS. So this is the version. It's a latest long-term release version 3.4411. So this version I want to install. Just next. Then you can simply read all of those. You can see license overview. So just accept these terms in license agreement. Just next. So then you can see it create the desktop shortcut and also create the start menu shortcut. Just a next. So first of all, just click on the install. So now it just installing in my operating system Windows. It just take time 1 minute or 2 minutes, and it will be stored. Once installation is completed, then you click on the finish button. Then you can simply open the QGIS. You can simply search here QGIS. So this one QGIS 3.44. Just a click and open. So we find out this type of QGIS Windows. So here we find out that all of menu bar, toolbar, browse panel, layer panel, map canvas, so all of those. So congratulations, you have successfully installed the QGIS. That's it. So you have successfully installed the QGIS on your computer. Next tutorial, we will explore the QGIS interface and learn how to create your first GIS project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss future GIS and remote sensing tutorial. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.